Hello beautiful people, today's tutorial is on how to do these three unique and beautiful headwrap styles you are seeing on your screen right now. I made these headwrap styles with African print Ankara fabric. So the first thing now is to fold your African print fabric into two, like so. So the next thing we want to do is to fold the edge of the fabric bit by bit, just like I'm doing in this video. So you fold it like so. You can fold it like 4 times depending on how much fabric you want. You can fold it like 5 times. So just fold it to the amount that you feel that it is okay and strong enough for you to give us that front effect that we want. So you take it over your head just like I'm doing, then you tie it at the back. So this style is suitable for someone with low hair. So the next thing is to take one of the ends and form it into a bun at the back. It's pretty simple and easy. So you wrap the second hand around the bun that we made, just like I'm doing. You can see it is so beautiful. You can see the way it's standing. So voila, we are done with the first headwrap style. So here is our final result. You can see it is so beautiful and lovely. So here it is, guys. It is super easy to make. It will enhance your overall look. So we are moving on to the second style. So just loose the bun at the back. Then take one of the hands and fold it together to form a flat surface. So I'm just going to take it around my head like so. Then tuck it in at the back. So just find a way to tuck it in so that it can stay. So the second hand, we are just going to use it to form a bun at the back because we don't want to leave it like that. So just roll it together and use it to form a bun at the back, just like the way we did in the first style. Please do well to click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, give me a beautiful comment, let me know which of these styles is your favorite. I'm happy to have you here, and do well to watch the videos to the end and your review about it. Thank you. You can see it is super beautiful. I really love this style. It is so beautiful. So moving on to the third style. So just make one of the hands longer than the other one. Then tie it at the back. So the shorter one, we are just going to roll it. The longer one rather, we are just going to roll it like so. just like I'm doing. So you roll it firmly. So we are taking this around the head. This style is for both male and female. It's an Arab style that you can rock to the beach and to anywhere of your choice. You can rock it casually as well. So the remaining small hand, that is the shorter hand, so I just tuck it in at the back. So you can see how the back and the front looks like. It's really beautiful. The style is so beautiful and lovely. So this is me feeling myself. Moving on to the fourth style. So you fold your fabric into 2 equal parts like so, then tie it at the back. So I'm just tying it at the back, just like you're seeing, for it to stay on the head so that it won't loosen. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to wrap it around my head, just like I'm doing. So you ensure that you are checking what you are wrapping on your head to give you the desired results that you want to achieve. So you take the other hand as well. You wrap it over the first one you made, just like so. This is a South African style. It's also a Fulani style. Then Yorubas too, they make this style as well. It is super beautiful and lovely, and you can see we achieved all these styles within few minutes. So you can see the final result now. It is so beautiful and lovely. I really enjoy all these styles. So please let me know which of the styles is your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, comment and share this video. Thank you as you do so, and I'm happy to have you all here. I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.